So I make a lot of soy milk. If you've seen any of my other videos, you've probably seen some of my soy milk, nut milk machine videos. But what I do is I use these organic soybeans, and normally I'll just rinse them. But let's see what happens when I put them in the water with the ultrasonic cleaner. I'm wondering to see like if they actually get cleaner than when I just rinse them. Normally I don't see much residue coming off of these beans, but it would be nice to know if they're like totally purified. Okay, I'm just going to put enough water in there so that this can be submerged. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. Oh, actually I need to do it twice, I think. Okay. We'll check back in. This is going to take about 5 minutes, and then we'll do another 5 minutes after that of resting. Okay, it's getting nice and bubbly. Okay, so the machine finished its cycle, and then I let it sit for about 7 minutes or 8 minutes. And there's definitely like a lot of foam that has risen to the top. I'm like wondering what that actually is. So I'm happy to have this little machine to actually clean a lot of that off. You can also take off this top and drain it. Okay, but let's see. It's a good feeling to know that I feel like I'm actually thoroughly cleaning this food, because I have been wondering, wow, look at these, look clean. Nice. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and pour these into my nut milk machine and make some soy milk. And I don't even know what this is coming off the side. I'm guessing this is just like starch, but who knows? But I'm kind of glad that that's not in the soy milk at this point. And here is the soy milk that I cooked with the soybeans that I cooked in the ultrasonic cleaner. I mean, everything looks a little more vibrant than it normally does.